welcome back to Valtronic Designs. To my right, a very blue Porsche GT4RS. I know that you, just like I had, asked myself, what would this mid-engine platform be like if they put the proper engine in it? Well, we now know, but there are some issues with this car, and mostly it comes down to sound. Come with me and take a look at the factory exhaust equipment here. Got our large center kind of suitcase muffler in the rear, then we have our over-axle pipes. Now, on the car, it has titanium over-axle pipes, the first in the world, which is really cool. And then we have our titanium rear section on the car. We're gonna be showing you in a different video what just the over-axle sound like and what just the rear section sounds like, but this car right here has the full setup. It's got the OEM headers and OEM exhaust manifolds. It's got our titanium over-axle pipes and our titanium valved rear section. When the valves are open, it's pretty much a free-flow, pure F1 experience with the RSR sound. It really sounds like a GT3RS. It has that motorsport exotic RSR sound. And then when the valves are closed, you'd think the car is bone stock. No drone, no unwanted frequencies. These cars are known for the intakes. This really cranks up the exhaust engagement. So in this video, you're gonna showcase revs, startups, flybys, hard accelerations, launch control, and put a GoPro on the rear bumper so you guys know exactly what this car is gonna sound like with the ultimate exhaust setup. Let's get to the sound. Folks, we're inside the GT4RS right now, and we have everything in its normal setting. I've got the exhaust closed. We are using the factory exhaust operation. The car does come with a Porsche style exhaust valve controller, but we're using the OEM PSE for this video just to showcase how it works in an OEM capacity. The good thing is at low RPMs, the car sounds like it's bone stock. That large center muffler casing in the rear really draws out a lot of the unwanted bassy frequencies you sometimes get in these cars when they are straight piped or modified. We know there's a lot of great systems, you know, JCR, FabSpeed, there's a lot of systems out there, but if you're looking for really good flexibility and really, really exotic RSR sound, there's really no other option besides this setup if you want an exotic material like titanium. I'm driving along here, 7th gear, 1800 RPM at 41 miles an hour, and the car sounds like it's bone stock in here. If I click the exhaust button now, then you can hear we get more of that motorsport sound and more bass and drama and excitement in the cabin, which is really, really nice. The car is up to temperature now. We'll give our first little sound test here. Another really cool thing about this exhaust compared to the competition is because we have that large center muffler casing in the rear, you're able to enjoy the car at low RPMs and like the downshifts with the valves closed. All you get is intake. You don't get any exhaust, which is really nice. So you can enjoy the dual personality of the car. You want to hear all the intake, aggressive and exciting sound, you can. Or you want to have the exhaust open, you can do the same. to being like it's bone stock. Amazing. We were just ripping, but keep the valves closed. Listen how quiet it is. It's so quiet. It's awesome.